Hey there folks, my name's Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to remove and install the underlays on your Steelcase Criterion Office Chair. Let's get started. Today we are looking at the dual directional arms on the Criterion. That means they are both height and width adjustable. We will also have a link in the description for our H-arms, which are only height adjustable. Okay, so the first step is to remove the side plate here, and it's just going to be two T15 screws. I have a driver here. Remove one, and I'll remove the other. And we'll just set these pieces to the side for now. All right, so now we can remove the arm pad assembly by moving it inside, like so. Okay, so now we need to remove the underlay from the arm pad itself, and it's just going to be two Phillips screws here. I'll set the screws off to the side for now. Now we can remove the underlay from the arm assembly, like so. Like and subscribe, let's go! Okay, so now we have the new underlay here. We need to attach it to the arm pad or armrest assembly. We're gonna sneak it in underneath here so the curved parts line up, and you'll see the screw holes line up as well. So once we have the armrest assembly onto the underlay, we will carefully flip it over and set it on top of the arm pad like so, and go ahead and reinstall our arm pad screws. So we'll just go ahead and insert our screws here, and line them up underneath into the arm pad underlay. And it should fit nice and snug around here with no gaps. Okay, final step is to reinstall the arm pad onto the chair itself. So we'll just slide it on there. Grab our Steelcase trim piece. Get one screw started there. Get the other one started. And we'll just tighten them down. And we're all set. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. We've removed and installed a brand new set of underlays on your Steelcase Criterion Office Chair. Please like and subscribe, and as always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a great day.
Where's Waldo? Where's Mike?
Marco. Polo.
Here he is.
Marco. Polo.
Perfect.
Hello, sir. And in this video, we will show you how to remove and install the underlays on your Criterion chair. So close to that one.